Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys a skin lightening, dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask. This face mask is highly effective in making your skin bright, glowing, radiant and crystal clear. It has all the natural ingredients into it, which makes it supremely effective in removing the dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars, suntan permanently from your skin. This face mask also has anti-aging properties into it. So if you have wrinkles, fine lines or sagging skin, then this face mask can remove them permanently. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this skin lightening and dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need sandalwood powder, and here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder into a clean bowl. After that, you're going to need rice flour, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rice flour into it. And after adding the rice flour, now I'm just giving a good mix to both these powder ingredients so that they both mix with each other well. After that, you're going to need olive oil, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of olive oil into it. After that, you're going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. Now lastly, you're going to need milk, or you can even use curd or yogurt, and here I'm adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of milk into it. And after adding the milk, now I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients really nicely so that they all mix with each other well and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade skin lightening, dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This face mask has sandalwood into it, which is a very good anti-aging ingredient which removes all the dark spots, sagging skin and helps in pigmentation removal. And rice flour is a skin lightening ingredient. It helps in making your skin more bright, glowing, radiant and crystal clear. And glycerin and vitamin E oil along with milk works as a supremely nice anti-aging and have loads amount of skin lightening properties into it. So this face mask is highly effective in removing all the dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and suntan problem from your skin completely and permanently, and will make your skin bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. And the consistency of this face mask should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should be so much smooth and lump free like I'm showing you in the video. So now let's see how to use this face mask for best results. So you can apply this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. So here I'm just using a face brush to apply a thick layer of this face mask all over my face and neck, and you can obviously use this face mask all over your body as well. And after applying a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you should use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.